Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from BTN HD, and yes, the black Sony FDR AX100 Full HD camcorder brings 4K Ultra HD video to the palm of your hands, delivering resolutions 4 times that of Full HD. So let's get some of the product highlights. Now again, it's 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second. It has 1 inch of Exmor RCMOS sensor. It takes 20 megapixel still images, and it also records of AVC, S or AVC HD, and MP4 recording options. And it has a 12x optimal zoom with a 24x clear image zoom. Now it actually has a BIONZ X processor with high speeds of 120 frames per second. This particular device also has an optical SteadyShot image stabilization, and it also has Wi-Fi NFC connectivity. Hopefully you guys enjoy this product highlight of the Sony FDR AX100 Full HD camcorder, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.